Hi there. We've got these 3 brass bells that we sell on our online store, both on Fantastic Farms and also on eBay. We have 3 models, the 3 sizes you see here, small, medium and large, and these bells we've had made, and they're actually cast. They're cast out of solid brass. They're not pressed out of a mould. They're actually solid brass. In that way, every one of them is slightly different shape, slightly different thickness, slightly different weight, but they're all very individual, and they're polished on the outside. So we've had a lot of requests from people wanting to know what they sound like, so we thought we'd do this little short video, so hopefully you can have a listen, see what you think. So this is a small one here. There's a small little knocker that goes underneath on the hook, and here's the first one. Alright, so that's the smallest one. Right, this is the second size, the middle size with the dong, and here we go. Got that beautiful old-fashioned solid brass bell sound. This one's extremely heavy, so I won't be able to hold up for too long, but you'll get the idea. So there you go, the 3 bells we have, all beautiful sound, all slightly different, deeper sound, suitable for churches or schools or having one at your front door, anything you like. Alright, thanks for that.